feels like the first time. Throw away all my pride. Don't wanna say I love you first, but holding it in just might make me burst. Love in the open, daydreaming, hoping, melting in our make-believe new worlds. Whispering winds bring the remembrance that you're my girl. No shade.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. My name is Cheryl. I love decorating my home with style on a budget, and I love to try to make it look a lot more expensive than it really is. So if you love home decorating and you love decorating your home with style on a budget, then this is the channel for you. If by the end of the video you like what you have seen, I would hope you would hit the subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. Guys, spring has sprung. Oh my gosh, it has finally stopped raining and it's so bright and sunny. Oh my gosh, it's so nice outside. I went outside, I took a little walk. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. So spring has sprung, and you know what that means? It's time to get ready to decorate for spring. So in my last video, I asked you guys, where should I start? No one really made a suggestion for me to start, at least that I saw, and if I missed it, I apologize. So I decided we're gonna start in the kitchen. And I think that I am going to do an islandscape today and share with you those really pretty, like those grass cloth placemats that we picked up while thrifting, those bowls that we picked up from the Dollar Tree, plates that I have from thrifting years and years ago. And so we're just going to put together a little islandscape. But before we do that, I want to tell you about my plans for my family room. So you guys know I love green. I love decorating with green for spring and summer. And I thought, you know what? Let's do something a little bit different. Normally, I will bring in green as an accent color in the pillows. And I'm thinking, you know what? What if we changed the draperies this time? So I think I want to change them to a green velvet, like an olive green. So I asked ChatGPT to go ahead and do just that for me so I can see how it looks, and that is what it did. I love it. I absolutely love it. My daughters love it. One of them says, oh my gosh, it's giving Elphaba vibes. Is it Elphaba? Yeah, it's giving Elphaba. I can't talk. It's giving Elphaba vibes. Ugh, I can't talk. Anyway, Elphaba from The Wizard of Oz. That was not the vibe that I was going for, but I just love it. And I'll put up the photo so you can take a look, but I absolutely love it. So I asked my boyfriend, it's like, hey, what do you think about this look? And he said, absolutely not. I was like, what do you mean? It looks so nice. I want to bring in a little bit of color. He said, absolutely not. I don't like it. And we're not living in Munchkin land. So sadly, I won't be getting the velvet green curtains, although they look really pretty, I think. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think, but I thought they look really good. So instead, I think we are just going to go with our standard tried and true. We're just going to bring in the green accents with the pillows. So I asked ChatGPT to add the pillows to the sofa. And again, I'll put up that photo here. And so it's going to be like green and black, I think. But now that my boyfriend doesn't like green, I'm rethinking my design. So leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about the green velvet curtains and about the green pillows. I love it. Maybe we can convince him. I don't know. I'm going to try. But he's already said.
Hell to the no, to the no. Hell to the no, hell to the no.
Anyway, let's go ahead and start decorating our landscape today and see how it looks. But that's going to be the first place that we are decorating for spring. So come on, let's go. All right, so here we are in my kitchen, and here's the kitchen island. And first thing we're going to do is give it a good wipe down. Always want to start with a clean surface. I really love this island top. If you're new here, and you didn't know, this is an island top that I created myself, and it is from IKEA. Before, we had like a basic builder grade countertop. You really couldn't sit at the island to eat or anything like that. So I just gave the kitchen a little upgrade. You guys know I love to do that, and as a matter of fact, I am going to upgrade my sink. Thank you so much to you guys for the feedback on going with the black and the stainless. And yeah, I greatly appreciate that. So now we're going to go in with these seagrass looking placemats that we picked up while thrifting from the Goodwill. These were just 99 cents and they look so nice. So similar to ones that I saw at Pottery Barn, but they cost so much more. So we're gonna go in with these first. And I just love that little pop of green. Look how nice that looks. Oh my gosh, I love that. Next, we're going to go in with our white plates that I picked up. I thought I had those ones that I thrifted from Pottery Barn a few years ago. They were white, but they had like a little ribbon detail around them. I think they might even have come from the Dollar Tree, but I think I donated them. It's like I can't find them. So we're gonna go with these. These came from the Dollar General and they were just $2.50, as you can see. We have not used them yet, but we're gonna use them for this island scape. So we're gonna use those. Then we're gonna go in with our salad plates. And the white and the green just look so nice. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love this color combination. I know some people are doing blue for spring and summer. I am not a blue girl. I love green, and I absolutely love this look, especially this color green. All right, let's go ahead and finish with our bowls. Okay, now we have the bowls that we picked up from the Dollar Tree. Look how nice this is, so nice and spring looking. And they're gonna look really nice on our plates. Absolutely love that. And you know what? Let's go ahead and add our green napkins. These are gonna look so good as well. And I don't know, I debated how I wanted to put these on the plate rather. Do I do them open? Can you see that? Let me bring you a little bit closer. Let's sit you here. Like, do I have it open like this? Or, sorry, you can hear all that noise outside. It gets so loud here during spring and summer. You would think the house had no insulation whatsoever because of all of the noise. Remember, these napkins also we got while thrifting. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna lay these down just flat like that on the place setting. I think that looks best. And then we'll go in with our bowl. I think that's what we're gonna do. All right, let's go ahead and finish adding our napkins. But I think it looks so good, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm absolutely loving this green for spring. And I will keep it this way for summer. We won't change it. I just love it so much. So leave me a comment down below and let me know your spring colors. I know you probably can't see me. I need to fix the angle of the camera. Raise it up a little bit. Let's see. Can you see me? Yay! So leave me a comment down below and let me know, what are your spring colors? Are you a blue girl? Or are you a green girl, a yellow girl, a pink girly? What is your favorite color for spring? Leave me a heart of that color down below, but I love green. Oh my gosh, guys, this is looking so, so nice. Looks so high end, something you would see again, in my opinion, from Pottery Barn. I absolutely love it. It's just a perfect little pop of spring. I don't think I'm going to add any silverware, but I am going to add some glassware. And I have this glassware. I'll get it out of the cabinet. That I think would be perfect. It has like a translucent, like bubbly type appearance, like soap bubbles. If you were blowing bubbles in the summer, or if you were like a little kid, I think this would be so perfect. So we're going to use these. And I don't think I'm going to use a second glass. Sometimes I use a second one, but this time I don't think I am. But what we will do now is add our floral arrangement. So let's go ahead and start with our vase. So I have this vase. You guys remember this one? I picked it up from Home Goods. It was a brown color and I painted it black. So we're gonna go in with this one. And you're supposed to decorate in threes. So what I'm gonna do is add that other vase that we picked up from Home Goods. And here is that vase. Oh, these are heavy, guys. These are like made out of cement or something. So that's how that looks. And then I need a third one. So we're gonna go in with this vase that I picked up while thrifting. This one was brown and I painted it as well. So we have 3 vases here and I love that look. So now let's go ahead and add our greenery. So remember these moss stems that we picked up a few years ago? They came from World Market, and I also picked up some from Amazon. Oh my gosh, I love that. Look at that color. Can you see that? Oh my gosh, it pairs so perfectly with our napkins that we thrifted. Oh, I just love that. And then we're gonna go in with the artichokes that we picked up from Amazon a few years ago. Again, we're shopping our homes using what we have. So I picked these up about 3 or 4 years ago. I have some small ones and then these larger ones. So we're gonna put those in this bowl. So I have 3 small and 2 medium. We'll stick them in the bowl like that. Oh my gosh, that looks so, so good. I love it. So now, should I leave it just green or should I add in some snowball hydrangeas? We have these snowball hydrangeas. I ordered some more from Amazon, so let's just see how it would look if we added these to the arrangement with the green stems. How would that look? Can you see that? Oh my gosh, I think I like it. Oh, I don't know. So let's add this one. We're gonna bend the stem and we'll add these in the smaller vase. I think I'll bend this one more time and have it sticking out of this vase. And stick it down in here like so. And just, I like to bend my stems to give them some movement. And yeah, I don't think I like these here though. I just like the simplicity of the green. I just love that. bright. All right, I don't like that either. So let's take that away. I do have another hydrangea, and I have an artichoke. This one is like a floral artichoke, so maybe we can stick these here instead. Oh my gosh, I love that. Oh my gosh, look at that combination. I absolutely love that. I think it is perfect for spring. Again, not too over the top, just simplistic. We still have a work surface because of course this is a working kitchen. You know, we do need to prep in here. Sometimes we eat at the island. So yeah, I think this is absolutely just enough for spring. So let's go ahead and take a final look.
Friends, that you're my girl, no shame, no games. I wanna fall in love, fall in love. I'll be a savage, I'll be your baddest. Or do you like sweet caramel honey dipped? I'm yours till the beat flips. Don't let it slip. Give up my power. Yes, afraid to lose each other. Counting the hours till I see you again. Could you be like
All right, guys, so this is how the islandscape has turned out. I absolutely love it. I think it's very simplistic. Like I said, not too much, not too over the top. I think it is just right. But leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. We didn't add any silverware, but that's fine. I think just the place setting themselves and the glasses, it just says just enough, and I absolutely love that for spring. Just very simple and intentional. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. I absolutely love it, and I think once we get the black and the stainless sink, oh my gosh, my kitchen little mini refresh will be complete. But leave me your thoughts down below and let me know what you think. But I absolutely love it. All right, guys, so that is it. I love how the islandscape turned out, and I hope you did as well. It's very nice, simplistic, just perfect for spring. Not too much, not too little, just right. So I hope you have enjoyed hanging out with me today and it has inspired you in your spring kitchen decorating. If so, please make sure to give the video a big thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, I would so appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and become a member of the iStyle My Style family. I have lots of budget-friendly, budget luxury, home decorating inspiration coming your way that you don't want to miss. And with that, my friends, I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye, guys.
expect? Wondering where you went, or who could you be with? No, I'm not possessive, but you're mine.